Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present literature quiz. Okay, Frankenstein, which is published in which year? 1818. And who is the writer? Mary Shelley. Great Expectation, written by Charles Dickens. Okay, in which year it was published? 1861. In a Free State, who is the writer? V.S. Naipaul. When it was written? 1971. Actually, in a Free State got Booker Prize, and here we have written the date of Booker Prize. Okay, so it is not the publication date, it is the date, it is the year of winning the Booker Prize. Staying On is a novel written by Paul Scott, and it got a Booker Prize in 1977. Rites of Passage is a novel written by William Golding, and in 1980 he got the Booker Prize. Midnight Children, Salman Rushdie, and it was very famous novel, and it is very famous novel, and it gets Booker Prize in 1981. The Old Devils, Kingsley Amis, and it was published in 1986. Oscar and Lucinda, Peter Carey, okay, 1988. The Famished Road, Ben Okri, it was published, it was awarded Booker Prize in 1991. The God of Small Things, it was by Arundhati Roy, and it got Booker Prize in 1997. Okay, Disgrace is a novel by J.M. Coetzee, and it gets Booker Award, Booker Prize in 1999. The Inheritance of Loss, who is the writer? Kiran Desai is the writer, and it got Booker Prize in 2006. Now I am going to tell something about Nobel Prize. Okay, Sully Prudhomme. Okay, Sully Prudhomme is French poet, and he got Nobel Prize in 1901.